When engineering teams invest in skill development, two major platforms often come up: Udemy Business and Pluralsight. Both offer massive libraries of technical training, but they serve teams in different ways. Whether your goal is to upskill developers, onboard new engineers, or keep teams current with fast-changing technologies, choosing the right platform can make a big difference. Let's compare how they stack up and which one fits best for modern engineering organizations. Udemy Business builds on the scale and variety of Udemy's global learning platform. It offers thousands of curated courses across software engineering, data science, cloud computing, leadership, and more. What makes Udemy Business stand out is its breadth. You get access to content created by hundreds of industry instructors, covering everything from beginner tutorials to deep dives into specific frameworks. The library constantly evolves as technologies change, so teams can stay up to date with current tools and languages. For companies, Udemy Business also provides analytics and learning paths that help managers track engagement and measure progress. Its flexibility is a big plus. Employees can learn at their own pace on any device and choose courses that match their roles and goals. It is ideal for organizations that want to support a wide range of learning interests and job functions, not just core engineering skills. Pluralsight takes a more focused and structured approach. It is designed specifically for technical learning, with curated paths in software development, cloud architecture, cybersecurity, and data engineering. The content is built by subject matter experts and often goes deeper into advanced technical concepts than general learning platforms. One of Pluralsight's biggest strengths is its Skill IQ and Role IQ assessments. These tools let you evaluate current skill levels and recommend personalized learning paths for each team member. Pluralsight also includes hands-on labs, coding sandboxes, and real-world projects that reinforce practical experience. For engineering leaders, the analytics dashboard shows progress, skill growth, and readiness for certifications, making it easy to align learning with business objectives. It is built for teams that want to benchmark technical skills and build long-term competency. In the end, Udemy Business is the best choice for companies that value flexibility, variety, and broad learning adoption across teams. Pluralsight is the best choice for engineering organizations that want rigorous, measurable technical training with clear pathways to mastery. Both are excellent, but they cater to different goals. If your focus is continuous learning for everyone, go with Udemy Business. If your focus is building world-class technical expertise in your engineering team, Pluralsight delivers the precision and structure to make it happen.